The Donner 61-key keyboard piano comes as an all-inclusive kit, providing a keyboard stand, adjustable bench, sheet music stand, microphone, and power adapter, making it perfect for beginners. Featuring an impressive range of 249 voices and 249 rhythms, along with 32-note polyphony, the DEC 610S allows users to explore a wide variety of musical styles and unleash their creativity. The built-in LCD display panel is a helpful feature, clearly showing the current functions and operations, which is especially useful for beginners learning to navigate the keyboard. The record function is a standout feature, enabling users to capture their performances for later review, while the headphone jack allows for private practice sessions without disturbing others. With two built-in 10-watt speakers, the Donner 61-key keyboard piano delivers powerful, room-filling sound, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor performances. Its slim and portable design ensures that the DEC 610S can be easily transported, allowing musicians to practice and perform wherever they go.